Hello guys, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut this trendy sleeve. A subscriber actually sent it to me, so at the end of the day this was what I came up with and it looks good. So guys, so just sit tight. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button. I would appreciate for you to like the video. Okay, so let's just get started. So this is the fabric that I'm going to be making use of. So we're using a soft fabric for this kind of sleeve. If you notice, the original piece is actually a soft fabric, so I'm just using this soft fabric piece, and then I'm going to use my basic sleeve pattern also. So we'll just get started. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm just going to fold my fabric into two and then place my pattern on it so that we can just cut straight, and then I'll give you the dimensions that I'm going to be using. Okay, so this sleeve, yes, initially when I was creating it, I actually used 25 inches. I noticed that 25 inches was too short. That's after creating the pleat on it, it was too short. So I now went with 35 inches. So make the length of your sleeve as long as 35 inches. And then the wideness that I used for this is about 10 inches on fold. So you can see it is about 10 inches on fold. So you need allowance on your sleeve, so don't just use like a pencil sleeve. It's not going to come out well. So I'm just trying to measure, that is trying to draw out all of the edges. So like I said, use 35 inches. That is what will give it a long sleeve. So after that, I'll just cut this out. So you can draft your sleeve directly. That's if you don't want to use a pattern paper. You can just draft like a wide sleeve. Just make it a normal pencil sleeve, but it will be wide and long. Use 35 inches. Okay, so after this, I'll take out my pattern paper and then I'm going to mark a line here. So the essence of marking this line is to know the parts where I'm going to actually sew. So that is why I'm placing the marks on it, okay? So just to guide me. So if you notice, on the top part I did not get to the top, and then this part you can see I came up a little bit with about 2 inches. I just marked a line there. I'm going to explain that later. So the next thing, now we'll go back to our machine and let's go and stitch. Okay, so now if you see, you notice where my pleat is. I came up and then I'm going to start pleating my sleeve from that point. You remember that line that I placed? So I just fold it up. If you notice the kind of pleat, you see I fold it up and then I'm bringing the second one down. The first pleat I folded it up. The sleeve is folded into two. Normal, this is the center now. I folded the first one up and then I brought the second one just like a key split, and then brought the second one down. So you can see I'm bringing the other one now. So I'm just using my, what do you call it, scissors to tuck that in. So I'm bringing it in like that, just like a key split, in out in out. You can just take a look. As you can see the other one. I'm bringing that one also, so you can see it. I'm bringing it inside. So I'm just like literally pleating them. Let them be facing each other. So I hope you understand. So I think that's a better English or better grammar for me to use. So I'm bringing that one down and then I'm bringing the second one again. Let it join. I'm just trying to explain this so you don't get confused. Okay. So I'm bringing the other one again. So that's how you continue to do it. You just keep going like that. You bring one down and then take the second one up. And then make sure you check everything properly before you go as you continue. Okay. So I just keep doing that. So there's something why I don't want to rush is on that top part you will not get to the end of the top. You understand? So you are going to leave at least 3 or 4 inches on top. So you can see I did not get to the ending part of the sleeve. That's the tip I did not get. So you can see that part is remaining. And then the next thing now is for me to join my sleeve. So use your sleeve measurement to join it. You can make it as fitted as you want. That's after doing this, you can fit the sleeve if you want it to be very fitted. But I noticed that it's not like a very fitted sleeve. So when you use this 10 inches, at the end of the day you will find out that the sleeve is still going to be slim at the end of the day. Okay. So and then like I said, the down part also, just as I left space on top, that's how I left space at the down I left like 2 inches before I started the pleat. So at the end of the day, you can see how the sleeve came out. It came out really fine, yes. So this is my actually my first time of trying out this sleeve, so I just had to use this fabric. So the next time I'm going to make this sleeve for my client, for my customers, or I'm going to make it and rock it for myself in one of all those my trendy dresses that I like to make. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. I would appreciate. So I'm just trying to show you, so it came out really fine. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.